Hi everyone, I'm Gisele Barreto Fetterman. Recently my husband John had a stroke. It was a regular busy day for us and John was getting ready to speak at an event. I noticed he had slight facial drooping and immediately headed to the hospital. We got to the hospital fast and I'm so glad we did. Shortly after arriving, a highly trained team of specialists removed the blood clot and got the blood flowing back to his brain. He was released from the hospital a few days later and he's doing really well.
Every second, every minute that there's not enough blood flow to the brain, there's an injury occurring.
Nearly 2 million brain cells die each minute a stroke goes untreated. Calling 911 right away means triage, and treatment can start in the ambulance, and specialists will be ready for you when you arrive at the hospital.
The longer you wait to present to the hospital, your chance of getting as close to or back to normal significantly goes down.
Please don't ignore signs of stroke. Loss of balance, blurred vision, facial drooping, arm weakness, speech difficulty. If you see these, it's time to call 911. Remember, be fast. Stroke surgeons saved John's life, and now he's back to doing what he loves.
If you or somebody you know is experiencing signs of a stroke, be fast, call 911.